Do you still think surveillance cameras are just about blurry footage and outdated tech? Think again. In just 30 seconds, your entire perspective on video surveillance will change forever. Explosion-proof, corrosion-resistant, vandal-proof, and up to a stunning 12MP resolution, plus built-in AI analytics. This isn't military tech. This is the Standard Series by ACTI, designed specifically for banks, office buildings, and factories. Don't even think about skipping this video, because what you're about to see might be the best value surveillance system on the market. Feature 1. Resolution up to 12 mapping. Imagine this. At the vault entrance of a bank, security staff can clearly identify every facial detail, even the smallest badge, thanks to 12MP ultra-high resolution. In an elevator lobby of a commercial building, image sharpness ensures accurate incident reconstruction. Along the factory's perimeter fence, license plates and faces are captured from a distance with incredible precision. With this level of clarity, you'll never have to worry about unusable footage again. Feature 2. Built-in analytics with people and vehicle detection, classification, and recognition. ACTI Standard Series doesn't just see, it understands. At ATM zones and banks, the camera detects loitering and distinguishes between customers, staff, and potential threats. At building entrances, it classifies vehicles and identifies people automatically. In factories, it controls access by verifying whether authorized personnel are entering production zones. All this AI intelligence, built in, no extra licensing fees. Feature 3. Wide range of compliances, NDAA, takes, and more. Worried about compliance? ACTI Standard Series is fully certified with NDAA, takes, and other strict global standards. Whether you're installing cameras in a bank vault or a hazardous chemical zone in a factory, you can deploy with confidence. For commercial buildings, this means enhanced safety image and full regulation readiness. Professional-grade assurance for every environment. Feature 4. Extreme WDR and extreme low-light sensitivity. At sunlit building entrances and pitch-dark bank lobbies or in poorly lit factory hallways, ordinary cameras fail. But with ACTI's extreme WDR and low-light technologies, your footage remains bright and detailed around the clock. This isn't just visibility. It's 24/7 operational protection. Feature 5. High-resolution anti-corrosion and anti-explosion models available. Factories with chemical zones, banks with ultra-secure areas, ACTI offers specialized models that are explosion-proof and corrosion-resistant, purpose-built for high-risk environments. Even commercial buildings can benefit from industrial-grade safety with these robust models. Feature 6. Weatherproof, vandal-proof, and vibration-proof design. Rainstorms, vandalism, heavy vibration, these are nightmare scenarios for regular cameras, but not for ACTI Standard Series. Certified with IP66 and IK10 protection standards, these cameras are the top choice for outdoor ATMs, factory perimeters, and office building garages. They're built to last where others fail. Why choose ACTI? Because we deliver better features than H brand and D brand at the same price or even less. We know you need to buy more, spend less, reduce risk, and boost efficiency. That's why the Standard Series was built. On the same budget, you'll get ultra-high resolution, AI analytics, explosion-proof options, and 24/7 stable operation. While others charge extra for these features, ACTI includes them by default. This is true value, high-performance surveillance without compromise. Still thinking it over? Click below now to explore the full range of ACTI Standard Series cameras and solutions. Whether you're a security manager at a bank, an administrator in a commercial building, or a factory supervisor, ACTI is your most trusted partner. Spend smarter, perform better. Contact us today and step into the next generation of intelligent security.